As the complexity of the ESG regulatory landscape increases, it becomes more critical for financial institutions to analyze ESG information and monitor their portfolio's exposure to risks when making investment decisions. Some challenges include isolated initiatives across the firm, significant resource demands arising from manual processes, inadequate maturity levels leading to inconsistent data input across value chains, as well as increasing demand for quality, reliable, and comparable data. Cognizant helps clients overcome these challenges by modernizing technology, reimagining processes, and transforming experiences. This ESG dashboard is an example of how we can optimize the ESG analysis and visualization needs of key personas in a bank, such as a risk officer or portfolio manager. Our dashboards are technology agnostic and highly customizable. They can be implemented through widely adopted data visualization tools such as PowerBI and QlikSense. Our ESG dashboards are powered by efficient data management strategy and data management platform enabling swift onboarding, normalizing, mastering, and usage of ESG data. We use a wide range of connectors for ingesting data from market-leading ESG data providers. Additionally, our in-house data scraping and NLP techniques help extracting information from unstructured sources, such as news reports, social media, and brokers' reports. Our metadata-driven data normalization, cataloging, and mastering processes make data from different sources findable, accessible, interoperable, and ready for in-depth analytics. Once the data is prepared, our analytics operating model can run complex descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics and present them in the dashboard in a user-friendly format. Similar capabilities can be applied in supply chain ESG. ESG Network Analytics provides a graph network analysis using network algorithms and components that can trace the communities and identify the analysis. It shows the supplier its ESG scores and calculates an adjusted score using the weighted scores of all suppliers. This is done by graph network analysis involving companies and suppliers based on different attributes. It can analyze the graph network analysis for any company at multiple levels. This can also be implemented as a graph query or an API, so it can be easily integrated with the dashboards. Often for some suppliers, there may be inadequate information for ESG scores. For these situations, the NLP Pipeline was created. It scans the news using web scraping to detect any ESG updates and to derive the ESG scores. AWS was used to build the solution architecture, SageMaker to build the pipeline, training, and development, S3 for storage, Neptune to build the graph network, and QuickSight for visualization. ESG facilitates top-line growth in the long run, attracts talent, reduces cost, and forges a sense of trust amongst customers.